For those of us who change mobile handsets frequently, a large part of the junk lying around in drawers is likely made up of a vast array of different mobile chargers.
No solamente los cargadores cambian con las marcas de móviles, sino que dentro de una misma marca cambian los cargadores también.
J'ai des vieux chargeurs qui ne servent plus à rien, oui, qui sont obsolètes maintenant.
Sí, es que no es lógico.
Searching for a phone charger that works with your phone will soon be a thing of the past, as the European Commission promoted an agreement with 13 leading mobile companies to offer a standard charger based on a micro USB connector. The first such chargers are expected to be introduced on the EU market in early 2011.
I nostri cassetti sono pieni di vecchi caricabatterie. Per ogni
The European Commission asked manufacturers to harmonize chargers in the EU in a bid to make citizens' lives easier and cut down on waste.
La Commissione europea, dopo molte lamentele ricevute da parte di cittadini, con un intervento forte anche da parte del Parlamento europeo, ha deciso di risolvere il problema della molteplicità dei caricabatterie dei telefoni.
The new universal charger will be compatible with mobile phones that can connect to a computer. But it's expected that this kind of mobile phone will be predominant in the EU market in a couple of years. We went to London to meet Peter Harrison, who, on behalf of Nokia, was satisfied with the brand new electronic equipment.
Instead of having lots of chargers, we just go to one solution.
From early 2011, EU consumers will be able to purchase new mobile phones with compatible chargers. But will it be possible to buy a mobile phone without the charger?
In principle, we could sell sales packages without the charger, but it really depends on the market dynamics and the customer need, and we have to monitor that and see how that goes.
ANEC, the European consumer watchdog, welcomes the move to standardize battery chargers.
Easy, gain of time, gain of space, less environmental costs.
ANEC insists on the need to monitor the implementation of this voluntary agreement.
Easy solution thanks to the new standard. So one thing we will have to be careful about, us and the member states doing market surveillance, is that no brand implies that you have to use their own specific charger with their own specific phone.
At the moment, there are more than 30 different types of charger for phones across Europe. Environmental expert Stefan Arditi said common sense had prevailed and pointed out this deal will also encourage more chargers to be recycled.
You can see the huge bulk of WEEE waste behind me, and you can realize that this is only a very small amount. But we need to start with something, and I think this is a very good initiative.
The migration from the current company-specific standards to a common standard will be gradual.
La vita di tutti quanti noi cambierà un po' in meglio grazie a un sistema omologabile di caricabatterie, e se funzionerà questo sistema credo che sarà inevitabile allargare questa pacifica rivoluzione anche a tutti gli altri sistemi tecnologici.